mind for intuition. This is love in the description. For which they always don't listen. Middle finger to the ones that want the ones that never listen.
You gonna see?
Who the fuck don't listen? We got bars.
You ain't with me now.
It's that 48 miles.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. I am Chubbs. If you guys noticed, the title is what it is. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do the hub assembly kit finally on my truck. Quema llanta. Okay. So finally, after probably like 2 weeks of trying to get this done, my brother has finally had the time to come over and help me out with this, and I really appreciate his help. So let's get into it, man. This will bring us one step closer to being able to drive the truck around. Well, this should be the final step because I already ordered the ignition wires. They should be here in about 2 days. So in two days from now, I'm gonna be filming again. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And before we get started, I just want to thank every single one of you guys that's been watching every other videos and all the new subscribers that I've been getting. The video with the headers is about to hit 4,000 views, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit it by the time I post this video. So I thank all of you. We're about to hit 1,200 subscribers, and that's freaking amazing of what all you guys are capable of, man. I can't even talk right now, but let's get into this video. What the heck? My camera's dying fast. If you guys haven't met my brother, my brother right here. And he's breaking my wheels. And just to let you guys know, we are not mechanics. Adrian, are you a mechanic? Oh. Well, I'm not. I'm a technician. So what are we doing first? Alright, what we're gonna do first, guys, is we're taking off the caliper right here. What size is that socket?
It's not a socket.
Oh shit.
It's a T45.
T45.
T55.
T55.
Special. There's also M's. This is a T. T55. Other cars use just regular Allen wrenches. And this is a bigger truck.
Alright guys, since there's not much space over here and good lighting, I'm gonna just briefly show some clips of this side, but we'll show you more from the other side, the passenger side. Yeah, let's just hit it. These? Damn. Do I open it up or what? Damn, this thing is nice.
Mira, ¿sabes lo que vas a hacer?
¿Qué?
En el video vas a enseñar little clips de cómo ponerlo, cómo quitarlos.
Ajá. Damn.
Vale.
You got it off? Damn. How do you tell when one is bad already?
This one's here, Christian. You were lucky enough that all the bearings still in there. As you can see, the cover's missing, but this right here, we cut it on time. The bearings get loose, locks the wheel, and that's a no.
So you said you've done this before, huh? Slam the S10. Just like that. What is that?
This is the ABS sensor line.
And that's one of the lights that's been popping up for the past year. So basically my hub assembly's been messed up for probably a year or more since the ABS and brake light were popping out. So if that happens to you guys, then you guys know what's wrong. Oh, and I was all the way zoomed in. It's probably on my nose. Alright guys, so I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but this is not a tutorial of how to do this. So we're not doing step-by-step demonstration or details and the exact tools you need for this, but we're trying to give you every single possible thing that that can assist you guys if you are trying to do this yourself, and if you're just watching to try to learn. But this is mainly for you as my subscriber to enjoy watching.
It's hard.
How many new brakes?
Yeah.
Damn, Brimbos. Is that the last bolt? Then was that?
Never ending work.
Fine with me. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me. It's at chubs.63. I'm about to go live. Let's see if any of you guys are on. You guys are on the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Homie Alexis, what's up? Say what's up to the YouTube. Yeah. Appreciate the support, y'all. What's up, Javi? Puro desmadre. We got 3 viewers in here. That's what's up. After this, I should be able to drive the truck, so you guys will see it more. What's up, caballo? Hashtag big old crew. Pretty much knocked out the other side in like 15 minutes, but he is a mechanic. Panda. Oh man, forgot to tell you, I appreciate for trying to hook me up with the Red Optima battery. I'll hit you up if anything, man. Appreciate it. Oh, what's up, Diego? You and Michoacan? Yeah? ¿Es todo? Alright guys, stay tuned for the video. It should be on like about 3 days or something. So if you were on this live chat, then you're gonna be on the vlog. Peace out. So my brother pretty much knocked out both sides of the hub assembly kit in about 30 minutes. If I would have done this, it would have took like 2 days. Is that 2 days and I would have broke something, because I'm not a mechanic and I just do this stuff for fun, because it's fun working on your own vehicles, especially if it's a build. We have to have the passion to do it. Now that the hubs are done, the handling of the truck should be better, which means pretty much I'm safe now. But the next concern, well, I don't know why I'm filming down here, but the next concern is the spark plug wires that are still touching the headers. So probably gonna get some shorter ones from Speed Engineering that are for these actual headers, or I might go with some MSD ones that are about 8.5. Well, that's the next issue we got here. Damn, the headers already got their color too. It's like a, I don't know, you guys tell me what color that is. It looks gold and then a little bit of blue purplish, because I do use 91 octane. I haven't turned the truck on in about like 4 or 5 days, so let's get a little cold start going on. And it is kind of cold out here right now. The person behind me is excited because they're about to drive my truck. It seems like I'm only passenger when my brother drives it. What's in the... Damn! Alright guys, I'm at 7%, so let's see what we can get. Hey, shout out to Isaiah, new subscriber right here. No cop, no stop. Okay guys, so my camera died while my brother was driving it, so here I am. Gonna shut the video down right here, and tonight I'm ordered the ignition wires so I could finally be able to drive the truck comfortably without worrying about the wires burning or melting, or you know, all that bad stuff cause more problems and shit. So I'm ordered that tonight. Should be here in about like 2 days or so. 1,000 subscribers, guys. After this video we got the 1,000 subscriber burnout, and like I said, I'm gonna try to get probably like 2-3 more trucks to do it with me, just for fun. I'm fucking excited. So I hope you guys are too, and I appreciate every single one of you guys, and welcome aboard all you new people. And for you new people, this is what I do after every single video. I say TCB. If you don't know what TCB means, it means taking care of business. So I wish all you guys luck with whatever you're doing, any hobbies, anything. Keep taking care of that business. Peace out, everybody. TCB. Six eyes and blue eyes.